To finish our owl babies, we need to add their eyes, their beaks, their wings, their feet, all those little details. So you're going to have some oil pastels, and you can choose, the first thing we're going to do is their eyes, and you can choose what color you want their eyes to be. If you want it to look realistic, a lot of animals have just like brown eyes, so I might do this kind of tan, oh, you can't really see that very well, this kind of tan color, or you could find a brown. If you want it to look, oh, here's a brown. If you want it to look a little more magical, you could give him like purple eyes or green eyes, whatever you choose. Today, I'm gonna do that tan color, I think. And on each of these owls, we need to make some big dots that are this color. So I'm gonna just color in a big dot all the way. Boom. And boom. I'm gonna do that on the other little guys too. Big dots. Honestly, they can be pretty big because owls have big eyes. Maybe I'll make mine slightly bigger. Big eyes. And then it's gonna start to look like an actual eye now when we get a black. I just have a tiny black. You may have to take turns with black because not all of them, there might not be 4 blacks at your table, but here's a black one. And I'm gonna make a smaller circle inside of my colorful one. You can see that. So now it looks like they have the black part, their pupil, and then a brown ring around it, or you might have green or purple or whatever color you chose. So again, I'll do black dots in this one. It can be kind of big, but you just want it to be smaller than your colorful one so you can still see the color around their eye. Color, color. Yay, now they have cool looking owl eyes. The next step would be the beak. Again, you can choose what color, an orange or a yellow could be good. You could also, birds a lot of times have like brown beaks and tan beaks, so you could do it brown. I might do this one brown. You can choose yellow for yours. This is easy. You're just gonna do a triangle. Boop, boop, upside down so it looks like their beak. And you can color that in. Triangle, triangle. And one more. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Very nice. Now for their wings, it's gonna be super easy. We just make little curvy lines. I'm gonna use a brown. You could use a black or a tan or a purple again if you want. But I'm gonna start kind of in the middle of their body over here. And on the side, I'm going to just make a curvy, it's almost like a J, and then a backwards one over here, like an L. A J and an L. A J and an L. A J and an L. Cute little wings. And then their feet. I feel like a lot of you already know how to make good bird feet, right? But bird feet, you can just do a straight line, and it looks like a little fork at the end. 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. A straight line. 1, 2, 3. Straight. 1, 2, 3. Straight. 1, 2, 3. Straight. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Now they're looking like cute little owl babies. The last thing I want to do is add some more little details on the branch to make it look bendy, curvy, bumpy like a branch would be. So maybe I'll get my brown back and I'll just do, goodness, that was the bell. Now I'm just gonna do some little curvies, maybe some spirals on the branch, curvy, wavy lines, another spiral. So then the branch looks a little more branchy. And we could also add some to the sky. We could add like curvy lines, spirals, curvy spirals. And this just makes it kind of look like the wind is blowing, like it's a cold night. Do some spirals down here, wavy curvies. Yay, you can add any other details that you want. You could add like leaves on your branch or something. Take a green, add some leaves. Anyway, the rest is up to you. I think mine looks pretty finished. I would end mine there. You can add any details you want. You could give your owls little bows and hats, or I don't know, anything you want. Glasses. Add all the details you want. Nice job on your owl babies.